Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this projector here with 5G Wi-Fi function and Bluetooth on board. It is an FHD Native 1080p Mini Projector with automatic Keystone correction. It's portable projector. It's a smart projector. It's compatible with a television stick, iOS, Android phones, PlayStation 5 for example, and HDMI. So it's compatible to nearly every source out there. And it comes to us by Qiaolet. Qiaolet. This is a 1080p Full HD projector, fully sealed against dust for the 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi network. And we have a 3.5mm jack port for our earphones, for example. The display resolution is 1920 to 1080. We have a fully sealed dust-proof design and a shocking stereo sound. This mini projector adopts a 2204 new generation of sealed photomechanical technology, which can prevent the formation of gray layer and the generation of black spots in the optical system. We can get rid of the trouble of black spots forever. The customized 8-watt large sound cavity has created the Q1 Projector 360-degree stereo surround sound quality. This brings us a cinematic audiovisual experience. And we have smart Keystone correction and a portable design. And we can recharge our phone by Qi on top of the device. Compared to traditional manual Keystone correction, this portable projector comes with a vertical automatic Keystone correction. We can get a perfectly aligned picture within a few seconds after we turn on. And this portable projector, with a mini shape, the size is only 5.5 inches to 4.2 inches to 6.5 inches, we can pull it in our bag and carry it to anywhere, because there is a bag included. A nice bag to go where we like. And we have a superior visual experience and a 100 inches giant screen, if we like that. This smart projector features with a native resolution of 1920 to 1080, a maximum supported 4K 1000:1 high dynamic contrast ratio to restore the real color content with 99% NTSC technology. This mini projector results in sharper and more vibrant visuals. It can playback 4K materials, of course, but it have a native resolution of 1080p. So the 4K video will interpolate to the 1080p. But it is much better than 1080p only. And the cool thing with that device here is we can dock it to our Wi-Fi network. 2.4 Wi-Fi and 5 GHz network, no problem. And we have Bluetooth 5.0 and the built-in popular apps. This projector here with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth provides 5G and 2.4G dual-band Wi-Fi connections, which can effectively avoid signal interferences. This ensures a stable signal and a fast transmission speed. This offers much smoother and lag-free online video streaming experience. We have built-in Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, ready to use. The only thing is we have to subscribe there and then we can use it. Of course, if you use the YouTube app, you have to subscribe PDP Performance and put this on YouTube too. Don't forget. And supports online downloading from the App Store, the Play Store, the Google Play Store. Really cool because this is an Android operation system here. It supports screen mirroring, wireless projection, and multi-device connectivity. This movie projector is equipped with HDMI, and on HDMI there is a big source for game consoles like PlayStation, Xbox, and so on. And HDMI is good for Blu-ray players and so on, and all the other stuff. USB, for example, for USB stick, AV, and 3.5mm jack. It's compatible with Fire television stick, for example. with a laptop, with a personal computer, with an external speaker, with the iPhone or an Android or an iPad or a PlayStation 5, for example, and so on. We can use the projector for company PPT, garden parties, home theater, outdoor camping, and of course more. And do not use this in rain, of course. Do not use this underwater, of course. But you can, of course, use it outdoor, but do not drop it into water, okay? Experience a cinematic thrill at home. Qiaolet Projector turns us place into a big screen theater, if you like, with an Android system, 2.4 5G Wi-Fi, native 1080p Full HD, 200 ANSI, 5 Bluetooth, 5.0 Bluetooth, 200 inches maximum, dustproof lens, Keystone correction. This is a home projector. We elevate our viewing experience with this projector featuring an Android system with a good native resolution, with a good Bluetooth version, and 200-inch screen. Up to. We enjoy seamless connectivity and a crystal clear visuals, plus the Keystone correction, perfectly aligned and just attached. This makes every moment brilliant with this projector. 1080p, Full HD, Wi-Fi, contrast 1000 to 1, 200 ANSI, dual speakers, auto Keystone correction. This making brilliant simple, really brilliant, easy peasy. Effortlessly share most precious moments, perfect for family gathering and get together with friends, for example. We can go from 60 inches to 120 inches, up to 200 inches, with only one device for the courtyard, for the living room, for the bedroom, for the rooftop, or where you like. The only thing is you need a wall. The best thing there, the wall should be a white wall, of course, and it will project here very good. A Fire television recommended combination, for example. We can use Prime Video, Disney Plus, YouTube, Netflix, and these are only the pre-installed apps in this device, of course. Wireless charging meets projection, eliminating battery worries. We enjoy the joy to the fullest, of course. We can easy peasy recharge our battery of our smartphone while we use it as screen mirroring, for example, or we use it as a remote, or we use it as an additionally speaker system on that Qiaolet projector with 5G Wi-Fi network. It's really easy to attach. You have to connect your HDMI port, for example, to your PlayStation. Okay, then switch on the projector. Line the projector to a wall. The best thing is a white wall, of course, and then use this adjusting halo rotation thing on the front side to make the sharpness setup. And then you can start by using the remote for navigation. Make a clear setup in your language you prefer. And of course, then you can go to HDMI source, or you can go to screen mirroring or USB source and so on. And then you have a good time with that projector here. And of course, you can make a Wi-Fi connection, and you does not need any kind of that, because there are internet connection via the Wi-Fi network, and then you can of course use the apps from the Google Play Store apps. Really peasy. That's easy, of course, easy. This is the Qiaolet Projector with 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Full HD Native 1080p resolution. It's a mini projector with automatic Keystone correction. It's a portable projector, a smart projector. It's compatible with television, stick, iOS, Android devices, PlayStation, Xbox, and so on. And of course, it's compatible with HDMI. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.